How to change or add interest on Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the app. Then go down here and click on your profile picture. Click here on these three dots in the corner. And next, settings. Next, you will find Home Feed Tuner, and click on it. And then click on Interests. And now you can also remove your old interest. So if you click on this mark, you will remove your interest. And if you wanna add more topics, more interests, click here. And you can choose art. All right. You can follow. Click here to follow. Perfect. So now your new interest is art. You can also remove these two, and you can add more topics. So I don't know, you like architecture, so click on this plus. Perfect. If you go back, there will be architecture and art in your topics. And this is how can you change it, guys. It's pretty easy, right? Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day. Goodbye.